Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of May. This is a very pretty ombre bag. And on the outside was this brush, because it wouldn't fit on the inside. And it's really pretty. So it has glitter inside the plastic, so it's not like textured or anything. But it's really pretty. Pink stones there, and just a really beautiful brush. So that's one of my items. Let's take a look inside. Get that glow. Some tips, some stuff about add-ons. And the first item I'm pulling out is a pastel purple nail polish. Now I know I won't use this because I use Color Street, that there's no drying time or anything, which I really love. If you want more information about that, I'll put my link below. But very pretty color. Be your incredible self with Nails Ink. Lilac Grove. Next, I have a daily Anti-Frizz Serum for Pure Brazilian. It's a leave-in treatment for stronger, healthy looking hair. Can definitely use that. My hair's been really frizzy lately. The inside of the bag. Bright yellow. The next one we have is Tarte H2O Gloss. It's a really cute shade. Hang 10. I'll definitely use that. I love Tarte stuff. Very pretty. And last we have One Kind Daily Cream. It's a nighttime moisturizer with a rose hip oil. So I'll definitely use that too. So pretty good bag. I will use most of these items except for the nail polish. I'll probably pass along to a friend. But that's what I got. If you guys would like to see past month's box, I do have a playlist. If you want to check out my Color Street, I'll put a link below. I also give out samples for that. And yeah, if you want to subscribe to Ipsy, I'll put my link below for that as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.